I'm going to show you 2 basic door hacks that anybody could do. Let's get started. If you have a door that closes by itself, I like to call it the ghost door. I'm going to show you a hack on how to fix this. Now first you want to start off by taking the top pin out. Now what you want to do is get 2 blocks, something hard. You can use concrete outside. I have this pipe wrench, so this will work perfect for me. What you want to do is put a little bend to this pin. Just a little bend like that should be fine. Okay, let's now tap that pin back in. Now let's see how that worked. It's just that easy. Okay, here's another easy hack. This is for when your door is shut and the air kicks on, or somebody opens the door and you hear this. I'm going to show you how to fix that. Okay, for this, all you need to do is take a flathead screwdriver, and there's a little tab inside here. I'll try to shine a light to see if you can see it. Right there. So you just put your screwdriver in there, and then just kind of bend it out a little bit. And then you can close the door and see if that works. Much quieter. So that's it. That's really all you need to fix these issues. All you need is a hammer and a flathead screwdriver. If you like this video, please hit that like and consider hitting that subscribe. Thanks.